COVID-19 is showing no signs of slowing down here in Central Ohio. I'm Public Affairs Officer Lindsay Weisenauer, joined by Alex Jones, Assistant Health Commissioner and Director of Prevention and Wellness for Franklin County Public Health. Thanks for being here, Alex.
Thanks so much for having me, Lindsay. Really appreciate it.
I know you keep a very close eye on the numbers. Can you give us a quick update on where we stand right now?
Yeah, absolutely. So unfortunately, our numbers are trending upwards. So for us, as of yesterday, within our jurisdiction, which includes all of Franklin County, excluding the cities of Columbus and Worthington, we're seeing over 3,090 cases of COVID-19. At the month of June, we were seeing about 25 cases on average per day. Last week, when we were looking at it, we were seeing on average about 71 cases per day, which represents a tripling of the amount of cases. And that's not unusual for other counties and jurisdictions within Ohio as well.
I know we've increased testing. We're doing a lot more testing. Can the higher numbers be attributed to that at all?
Yeah, that's a really good question. So for us with the testing, while certainly the capacity and the bandwidth to be able to increase testing is a factor for us with seeing more cases. However, we do look at what's called the positivity rate. And for us, a positivity rate of above 10% is something of us for concern. So here locally in Franklin County, between our hospital partners, as well as our other community-based partners, I believe we're seeing a positivity rate of about 13%.
A question we get asked all the time here in Dublin is, what are the local numbers? Can you share that information with us?
Yeah, absolutely. Happy to. So we pulled the data as of yesterday. So from the beginning of the outbreak, which seems like many moons ago, March 12th, I believe, till yesterday, there have been 218 cases in Dublin. So interestingly, when looking at the data in Dublin, the highest age ranges for cases of COVID-19 are within the 20 to 29-year-olds, as well as the 0 to 19-year-olds. So in Franklin County, within our jurisdiction, our median age is 43. However, when we pulled it for Dublin, we're in the 30s. I believe 37 was the median age. So definitely a younger group that we are seeing become sick with COVID-19.
So with these numbers going up, I know we've had several different mask orders from the state and now Franklin County Public Health issuing your own face covering mandate. Can you talk about the importance of wearing masks for a face covering in public?
Yeah, absolutely. So wearing a mask is really something about protecting others from yourself. And so we are doing this because we know that approximately 12% of our cases in our jurisdiction are asymptomatic positive cases, meaning that individuals are not showing any signs or symptoms of COVID-19. So there is a chance that people are sick without realizing it. So this is really a method. And then if we're both wearing a mask, you're protecting yourself to me, and then I'm protecting myself to you as well. So it's that kind of mutual benefit there for the disease transmission. And we thought it was very important to make sure that there was a standardized order in place for all of our jurisdiction. And really, it's not to supersede what I know City of Dublin put in their own ordinance, so it's not to do that, but really it's to put into place for areas within our jurisdiction that did not have any type of an order. And then also with the state's order that is in place, we do know that with that order, there's a caveat where you have to be within the level 3 or 4. So we wanted to have something in place that if we were, and we're striving all to get to orange, to be that level 2 or 1 community, that we still have this in place because we know that the risk is still there and that the pandemic and that there's a risk for contraction of COVID-19 even when we move below risk levels.
Absolutely, and we appreciate your time and everything that you're doing to keep the area safe. And you can read the entire order on our website, dublinohiousa.gov.